Hello everyone! Today we will style an oblong silk scarf with a scarf ring again. You will see 3 more ideas on how you can wear it. If you don't know me yet, my name is Elena. Welcome to my channel How to Tie a Scarf, and now let's tie our scarf. By the way, you can always slow down the video. Go to the settings, choose playback speed and choose the speed you need. I do it all the time.
My scarf size is 73 by 27 inches. It's long and large. The first style comes as a variation of one of the styles that you may see in my previous video. Pass each end to your scarf ring like this. Tie the ends behind, bring them forward. Now, pass one end through one side of the ring again. Do the same for the second end. Arrange the layer to look nice. Et voila! My head is in a cloud. For the second style, pass both ends through the scarf buckle. By the way, this is the third part of a series of videos with an oblong scarf and a scarf ring. I will leave the links to the first 2 parts at the end and in the description. Tie 2 corners at the back. And it's ready. Combine this style with a jacket. It looks appropriate for office, but not boring at all. The third style starts as the previous one. Now tie end behind, bring them forward. Now pass each end under the scarf. Arrange the last layer to look fluffy. By the way, let me know in the comments if you would like to see more styles for oblong scarves. This style is very warm. You have 3 layers of silk wrapped nicely around your neck. Which style do you like most?
If you want to know more on styling your scarf with a ring, you can watch these videos too. Subscribe, hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below what kind of video tutorial you would like to see. I hope to see you soon. Bye!